welcome back to Zik, the programming guy channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn off commercial sounds on your TikTok, right? So first thing you have to do is open up your TikTok app, right? Just like this. And how are we going to check if the commercial sounds are really there? So let's start with that. So all you need to do is click on the plus sign. Click on your plus sign. You can see that. So once you click on it, you can see, once you click on art commercial sound, you can see commercial sounds right there. So let's go back and go to your profile. Click on three horizontal lines, click on settings and privacy, then click on the account right there, and you can see switch to personal account. So once you click on that, you click on switch anyway, and once you do that, you have to go back and check if the commercial sounds are still there. So you can see, let me click on the add sound. So you can see the commercial sounds are not there anymore. So if you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.